Hey my friends, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to get to Maliketh from Godskin duo fight. So as you can see, I'm here at a bonfire, and if I open the map, as you can see, I am currently now at a dragon temple altar, and from here we will start our path. Let's begin. Okay, so while standing here and looking at the room, just turn right and go through this passage right here, down the stairs. Alright, I'll be stopping the video by a bit so that you can catch up. So this is where we are supposed to be. Now in here, of course, jump down. You can kill this guy if you want. You can leave him if you want. It's up to you. I can easily just kill him. Okay, another one. Hello. Nice to see you. Bye-bye. Okay, now let us go forward. Okay, guys, now you need to basically go through here. Alright. Kill this annoying dog. Now you go through here. Alright, kill these dogs so that they don't mess with you, okay? Dogs are quite annoying and very aggressive in this game. I will also kill this guy so that he doesn't mess around with my progress. Happy flying. Okay, so to not break our focus, let us continue. Okay, so I'm standing here. Okay guys, now basically from where you came, as you can see we came from here. Now you need to go here where we killed the dogs and jump down in here, through here. Now let's just go through here as well. Okay, in here we will have this guy. Okay, you can fight him or ignore him, it's up to you. I'm just gonna kill him. And guys, do not miss this path. As you can see, you need to go right. Oh, I forgot how to play this game already. Jesus Christ. Okay, there you go. So now we go here. Now through here into the left and jump up here. Okay, like that. Through here on this platform. Be careful here not to fall down. Okay, here basically go forward. Do not fall down, please. Okay, go through this entrance. Alright. Now let us stop here for a sec. Okay, now let's move on. There's going to be a knight here. You can just ignore him. It's not necessary to fight him. Where is he, by the way? I can't even see him. He's supposed to be somewhere in here. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. So basically, when you get here, as you can see, there's these like fires in here. So go to the right and you can see this broken fence. Jump down here and you will have a site of grace in here. Right? You can rest here if you choose. Alright guys, so let's move on with the video. Here you can just jump down. I'm not going to restore anything. Actually, I'm going to heal a bit. There are these birds, very annoying. They can kill you very quickly, by the way, if you don't kill them fast. As you can see, very aggressive. And I haven't played in a long time, just making this tutorial. As you can see, I never lock on. This is not how I play. I just do it like this. Okay, so just follow me. I'm gonna use this one as well, just in case. Alright. Okay, so jump down and follow me. There's gonna be a bunch of enemies here. Just ignore them. Let us just run forward, alright? Just run for your life, alright? Just run. In here. Now jump down here. As so. There's gonna be a dragon in here. Just ignore him. In my case, he's missing because I've already killed him. In your case, he will be present. Jump up here. Now to the right and up this little path in here. Let's go. There's going to be a dragon here for people that haven't killed him. I've already done it. Okay, moving on. You can kill these guys or ignore them. It's up to you. Another one here. I'm going to shoot some lightning at you probably. Like that. What does he have? Oh, hello there. Bye-bye. Pick that up. Okay, now from here, guys. Okay, guys, so from here, just be careful. In here, as you can see, it gets kind of steep. You need to cross this very carefully. This guy will try to kill you, but of course, he's not good enough to kill me. Right, so guys, in here you will have an ambush, so I suggest just ignoring these guys if you want to just go ahead and, you know, reach the points of our location as fast as possible. You can fight them if you want, but these guys are vicious. In our case, let us just run into the right, up the stairs. All right, we need to reach the what's it called? An elevator in here. All right, so just run to the left, in here, in here. Oh, we need to go for the elevator. Sorry, pull the lever. Where is it? There it is. You just want to fight me, do you? Okay then. Okay. Oh, wrong one. Hello, man. Hello. Long time no see, brother. Yeah, been some time since I fought these. Man. Alright, so push the lever to get the elevator down. In your case, it's already going to be down. Keep shooting at me. Look at that, through the walls. Bugger. Alright, so up this elevator we go now. Press the button. Okay, now we are safe. Let us go up. Okay, now turn back, and this is the last site of grace before the boss. Okay, so when you go here, right, there's going to be a little path in here. We need to go up the stairs. We need to go up the stairs again. So you will have actually two bosses in here. The boss on the horse. I don't remember what it's called. Some kind of knight on the horse. And in here, this is the entrance to the Maliketh. So we are finally here. So just go straight through here, up this little platform, I suppose. And this is your Maliketh fight. You can walk through the fog. As you can see, I've already cleared this boss. I've already defeated him. But this is the arena where you will fight him. And at the very end, as you can see over there, you will have a Site of Grace, which is for some reason not activated for me. That's interesting. Let's activate it. And basically it's done, guys. You're welcome. Now you're here fighting Maliketh, one of the hardest bosses in the game. Guys, hopefully this tutorial helped you. Enjoy, press like and subscribe. See you in the next one, my friends.